Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you do, I certainly hope that you will give it a like and that you will go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Today I want to share with you what I picked up at Louis Vuitton, and I am a little bit late here because I picked it up on January 4th. By the time that you see the video, I think that it's going to be almost 10 days afterwards or a week after, not sure. I have a small Louis Vuitton haul that I want to share with you. They are, like I said, small pieces, but really interesting pieces that I think that you may enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to mention the new receipts at Louis Vuitton. So all of the stores are moving on to their new system. And as they move on to their new system, you are going to be receiving this smaller version of the envelope that we used to get before. And what I don't like is you pretty much get a receipt just like if you had shopped at a department store. So the new receipt pretty much looks like any Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, Macy's. It pretty much has Louis Vuitton, the name of the store, the address, and then it'll have your name on there. But it is the same receipt type paper, and you know that this eventually just kind of washes away, so it is not really my favorite, but what are we gonna do? This is what you can expect as your store moves on to the new system. So let's go ahead and get right into this one. I have this bag right here, and actually what takes up most of the bag are these catalogs right here. I really love them. I collect them, and I'm looking that way because I have all of them in my shelves over here. I think they are really beautiful. I love looking at all of the pictures inside of all of the beautiful bags or the fashions, etc. This one, I love this one in particular. So yeah, I really love these. I love the fact that they come with stickers. And these are the stickers, and I plan on using the stickers on different things. I've never done it before, but I'm probably gonna put some stickers on my carry-on luggage, and I'm gonna put some stickers inside my agenda, etc. So I'm very excited I picked these up. He gave me 3 because he's a very nice. And let's go ahead and get on with this and with this. So let's go ahead and get started with this one right here. Packed super beautifully. And it's really a big box for a small item. Comes wrapped in the beautiful Louis Vuitton tissue paper. And maybe you can guess by now what it is. It's got the pretty Louis Vuitton sticker, and I'm just gonna slip it out. And here she is, absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, let me show her. She is the Superstition Classic Bandeau, brand new, just released in January in the light pink color. And this is just so adorable. So this is the year of the pig, so it's very exciting. There's the pig, there's the dog, there's the monkeys. Here is, let's see, what is this? This looks like a, I think it's a goat right here. It's got some flowers, a horse. You've got the dragon here. I mean, so adorable. This is just gorgeous. And it's got the Louis Vuitton at the bottom. It's a very pale pink. And then you have all these other beautiful colors swirling all over the place. The back of the bandeau is light pink, and it has the LV symbols on there in white. And both of the sides are the same, and at the very bottom it simply has the lines with the darker pink, a very pale lavender, and a different type of pink right here. Just really beautiful. So this bandeau came in 3 colors. This one, which is the light pink. The other one is called Rose, but it is a deeper pink, like a hot pink. And then the last one is in the Noir, which is the black one. This is the regular size bandeau. This is not the BB. So as you can see, it is the regular size, so the thicker size bandeau. And it is just gorgeous. So if you're interested in this one, they are available. Call your SA because right now they're available. You know that I am a bandeau lover. So the next thing that I picked up is this little beauty right here. And actually you've got the item number and the price right there because I always tell them, leave all the information on for me so that I can tell my subscribers. So here's the information. This is the agenda refill for the Louis Vuitton agenda and the size, which is this one. This is the one that I have. It currently still has my 2018 refills in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch them out. You know, I'm a little late, but I'm getting there. And I really, really love this agenda. I gotta be honest, I wish it was bigger because I have really big handwriting and it's difficult for me to write in the small agenda, but I love it. And this is a good size if you want to take it different places. The GM is just huge. Here are the refills, and let's just quickly look at them. Let's open them up, and here they are. And they have silver, the silver trim on the pages. And here it is. And let's just quickly see a little bit of what it looks like. And I can show you once I put it in the book, Agenda 2019. And then it's got some information right here. It's got some notes for the, you can go ahead and put just reminders. And let's see. Let me just get over here. Then you really start with your actual days. So the way this agenda works is that you have pretty much 1 week on 2 pages, okay? So you have Monday through Sunday on 2 pages in the agenda. And for each month, it'll have something in the front. So they went ahead and started it in December. And that's pretty much it. It's just the inserts. Oh, okay, and here you go. You have some stickers that they usually include. I was wondering. So these are stickers. And that's it. That's the back. You know what's funny? Last year's agenda had, I'm going to show you, it had these, so kind of like the little sticky notes that you can go ahead and use. It had those, but this year's doesn't have them. The 2019 agenda refill for the Louis Vuitton agenda in the size. And this is the 3rd item, and I'm not sure if you can guess what it is because of the packaging. And this is a little bit of an emotional item for me. Let me just show you what it is first. And here it is. It is still wrapped in the plastic, and I don't want to take it out right now because I want to show it to my son. This is the Louis Vuitton City Guide. And this is the brand new Tokyo edition. So Louis Vuitton has, I believe, 29 city guides of major cities like Paris, Rome, New York, Prague, Tokyo, Singapore, etc. They're beautiful. They're all in different colors. And inside, pretty much, it has just places to see, places to go in those particular cities. It is just gorgeous. I bought this one because my youngest son is leaving for Tokyo in March. He is going there for 1 year, and he's going to be teaching English over there. So yeah, I thought this would be beautiful. I know he's not going to take this hot pink city guide, okay? I know. But I just want to sit with him and kind of go over it a little bit, and then I'll keep it for myself. Hopefully it'll make me feel better while he's away. But these are really beautiful, and they're very, very affordable. I mean, this is $37. It's a beautiful gift. So I highly recommend these. This is the third item that I picked up. Okay, and the last item came in this a little bag. I purchased it on the same day as the others, but my store, which is a very large store, I think it's the third largest in the United States, did not receive the item. Instead, a Bloomingdale's in the same mall received it. So they went ahead and called, and they held it for me. And this is the little cutie. I have no clue what I did with the receipt, but here it is. This is the only item that I received with the Christmas wrapping. So very beautiful ribbon. And any guesses as to what's in here? Oh, that's interesting. Look, they put it in this cute little pouch. It is a really, this is the nicer pouch because it has kind of like the velvety finish. That's very pretty. I love these. And you're gonna see, wait till you see what this is. It is not jewelry. It is this absolute gorgeous little thing right here. Check this out. And I think there you can kind of see it true to colors. And this is the Love Lock Heart Gradient bag charm from Louis Vuitton. It just got released. It is so adorable. And this has pink and white calf leather. And so you can see the color kind of changes. So this is the back, and you know how it is. I had to put on my reading glasses so that I could see. And it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Italy. And there's the color on the back of the bag charm. It is coming up pretty accurate. It is a darker than their rose ballerine color. It has the gold hardware. And this is a very, very small bag charm. And let me grab another bag charm to compare. All right, so size-wise, you can see that it's very small. But the interesting thing is, look at that. Same size clip as the regular bag charm. I would have never thought that, because if you look at this mini charm that I have, which is pretty much the same size. This is from I think this was from the 2016 World Tour collection. If you look, you'll see that the clip is substantially smaller than this clip. So that's pretty interesting. Here it is. Just really beautiful. And you know that bandeaus and bag charms are my downfall. That's what I picked up on my first visit to Louis Vuitton in 2019. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.